English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B2, demand, hardly, feeling. Demand. Demand is a verb and a noun. B2 learners usually know demand. At B2, to demand, verb, means to need something such as time or effort. A demand, noun, refers to the need for something to be sold or supplied. Here are some examples. This work will demand a lot of concentration. Carrying a gun demands a lot of responsibility. They found that there was little demand for their product. Hardly. Hardly is an adverb. B2 learners usually know hardly. At B2, hardly means certainly not. Here are some examples. It's hardly my fault that she got herself a tattoo. He can hardly expect her to look after his children without payment. I don't have the right qualifications, so I hardly think I can apply for the job. Feeling. Feeling is a noun. B2 learners usually know feeling. At B2, a person's feeling is their opinion or belief. Here are some examples. What is your feeling about this? My feeling is that they're expecting us to do too much. His feeling about the situation was unclear. Now write some of your own sentences with demand, hardly and feeling. Download the free B2 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.